Hey, how you doing? Josh, Kelly. I just wanted to go ahead and shoot this video for you guys just to show you exactly what it is that I do and how I look at websites and how I rank them. Just a quick, recap and kind of a basic introduction to how I do this and what I look for and how you guys can rank it yourself if you guys choose not to go with me. That's fine. I just want to see you guys bring in more customers. So I'm gonna just jump right in here, and when I get done, you guys, I'll give you my phone number at the end of things, and you guys can give me a call. Now, the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is basically content. I'm here on your front page, as you can see. It looks like you have a good amount of content. However, I usually suggest at least 1,500 words for front pages of websites, just so you can truly optimize and bring in a lot more keywords that Google can find for you. I'm looking at your competitors here, Port City Concrete. Now I'm comparing here in Charleston. I know that you guys are actually in the Myrtle Beach area. You have different locations, Charleston being just one of them, and so I'm going to show you how to get your Charleston website up by comparing to a Charleston site who's doing pretty good right now. These guys don't have the 1,500 words, like I was saying, on their front page, so this tells me that these guys are going to be pretty easy to beat just in content. Now, taking a look here at this keyword, gets over 100 searches on average every month. Concrete Charleston SC. So do another search to see, and I'm actually in what we call incognito mode. So that means like as if I've never searched any of this stuff before. It's like a brand new search to Google. So it's going to be non-biased. And the first thing I want to compare here on the search engine is actually what we call the map pack. And on the map pack you have lots of different businesses popping up here, and the two companies I do want to compare is Wando Concrete and Driveway Masters, because these guys are 17.8 miles away and these guys are 13.7 miles away. So this is on contrary of what normal people think. They think it's all who's closest to you is going to pop up first, but this is proving that wrong. So why is that? Well, that's actually due to something called citations, which is the second thing I want to talk to you today about. Citations are basically your business's name, address, and phone number, basically, and we call that NAP for short, but those are submitted to different directories throughout the web, and basically the more directories you submit to, the more citations that Google picks up. So if you submit to Yellow Pages 100 times, that's still only one citation. You basically need multiple different sources, and then you'd be picked up for those different citations. Now, this tool I like to use called White Spark can show you why Wando Concrete has 54 and Driveway Masters has 36. Therefore, Wando is popping up before Driveway Masters, and we can actually come in here and take any sources that we really wanted. But I actually have access to over 450 different directories, so we can actually get you number one for any of these map packs in any area. Now, the next thing I want to talk to you about, and the last thing, is actually how to rank in this area right here, the organic results. That's actually due to something called backlinks. And well, what are backlinks? Backlinks are basically when one website is linking back to your website, similar to citations, but citations are mostly focused on directories linking to your name, address, and phone number, having that name, address, phone number. But now we're talking about other sites linking specifically to your site, and depending on what part of your site they link to depends on where that authority goes in your site. So if it links to a page, then that page is getting authority, and if it links to your main site, then your main site's getting authority, which is what we want in the end. We want that main site getting all that authority. Now, basically, you want other concrete companies linking to you, so you don't want anything but relative websites or something that has to do with your site linking to you. Otherwise, we're going to have Google confused on what you're actually trying to rank for, and we really want you to rank for concrete in these areas, and the only way to do that is get that actual relevant backlinks. So this tool I like to use called arefs.com. We can actually take a look and see you guys have 43 backlinks, coming from 10 domains with 230 keywords you're ranking for, but only 20 people on average every month coming to your site. We can come down here and we can see that 39 of those backlinks are 0 to 10 range. 4 of them are 10 to 20. With your own due diligence, you can see that the lower quality these are, the less they do for you. So my job over here is to make high quality backlinks that are relevant and link them to you. Now with organic search, we can see exactly what it is you're getting found for. So you're actually on Concrete Charleston SC, but you're number 17th, your 17th position right now. Everything else is beach in Atlanta, Georgia, or just your name, dankel, which isn't bad. I mean, you guys definitely we could do some better work here on these keywords, and definitely get you ranked for the right stuff. Your main competitor, 278 backlinks, only 33 keywords. That's all they have is 33. But they get 108 people on average every month because they're ranked for the right stuff. They're ranked for the Charleston concrete area here, Concrete Charleston SC, City Concrete, Port City Concrete. Mostly getting found for their own name, it looks like, but on top of that, that Concrete Charleston SC is bringing a lot of traffic for them. And with the backlink profile, we could see exactly what it is. I mean, majority of it is lower quality, so me sending a few of these higher quality backlinks to you is really going to get you guys ranked to the top spots, especially after we fix the content. So just a quick recap on what we talked about. You guys need more content. 1,500 words, that's my suggestion on your front page. And we also need to add a lot more pages that with higher amount of content. So for example, your Charleston one, we could probably come in here and probably add a lot more content than's currently on there. As you can see, it's just got a paragraph right here, so definitely would want to do that. Also, you guys want to rank in these map packs? Well, I can actually verify any of these areas that you don't have yet verified. We have a Google Verify on our team, and we can verify any location you like, whether it be North Charleston, Myrtle Beach, wherever. We could Google Verify it for you if you do want to rank in a certain spot, but just don't have an office there or any location that you haven't verified yet, or if you do have an office and you just haven't Google verified it yet. Either way, and we need these citations coming to you guys. We could take them from anybody, but we have our own 450, like I said, so adding 150 to you guys will definitely solidify your position wherever you want to go. And also backlinks, if you want to rank in those organic results, I'd say a couple hundred backlinks from relative sources is going to get you guys higher than what we see right now. So I really hope you guys learned a little bit exactly what it is I do. Everything we talked about today is actually what I do myself for any of the companies that we currently have, and be more than happy to do this for you guys as well. If you do want to sit down with me, we can have some conversation and talk a little bit more. Once again, my number is 407-978-7759. I hope you guys found this informational, and if you guys want to do this yourself, like I said, it's cool. But if you do want a professional and you enjoy getting more money and saving more time on these things that count, then go ahead and give me a call. My number is 407-978-7759. I look forward to hearing from you. I'll talk to y'all later.